Hello guys, so in this video I am going to show you how you can purchase or bring your phone number into SigmaMind AI and connect it to AI agent for inbound and outbound call. So from here on the dashboard you have to click on this phone number. Then here you will get the option for add phone number. Click on this and here you just need to search for the area code and then you will get the option for buy here. Just you have to click on this buy and complete the and then you will get the phone number. If you want to bring your phone number to SigmaMind AI agent, that also you can do. From here you will just need to enter your phone number. Here you have to enter the URI from your SIP provider. So on this screen you can get this information that you have set for phone number name. Here you can see your settings for inbound call settings. When you click on this you can select the AI agent that you want to configure for your inbound call, so you can select any agent from here. Then for outbound call setting you have to provide the number that you want to set for outbound call, and here you can select the agent that you have built on SigmaMind AI for outbound call.